Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, we're in a lower band ride. They've had some persistent weakness over the course of yesterday and today. You can see they took it up yesterday in the morning. They took it up as high as 48. They had a chance to make the run all the way to the green line, which we had talked about. They pulled the rug out from under them, and we ended up in a really nice short from the 39 area. And ended up being about a 20 handle trade for us. We messed around, we bought the close, did okay, and I ended up getting stopped out on that on this move down to 93.25. So you got a lower band ride. We have to see if the bears want to continue to press that. If they do, then we remain in a rally sell market. I think the 05, 06, 07 area needs a look probably this morning, and we'll figure out from there where we are. So as I go over to the hourly chart, you see the lower lows here. We had a couple lower band tests. They finally got above that. 2703 right now, so right around here is the area of the daily lower band. Daily pivot and hourly midband went resistance last night, and you ended up, over the course of a few hours, not being able to get that back, and you had the big move down. So the bears need to do lower highs and lower lows. If they can do that, then we get our band ride. So we open at about 19 minutes. That's really all I have to say. Keep an eye on the band ride and keep an eye on selling rallies. The only thing that really turns it back into a buy dips market is if you get, 20 turns into support, you get it back up over 48 from yesterday, then you can go do 59. On a longer term time frame, you don't get a buy dips market until 59 to 60 is converted. All right, everybody have a good one. We'll be out on social in a little bit. Until then, trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.